Hi everybody, hope you're good. So not a software review, and I know that's trade descriptions because the channel says Phil Reviews Software, but I'm also taking you on a journey as I set up a new YouTube channel, and I'll show you the tools that I'm using along the way. And I've had a busy day today, and some of it is a bit of a pain and it's annoying, but I am slowly but surely getting there. So the reason being, and this is why I'm wearing my hat, whenever you see this hat, I'll be on the other channel talking about crypto, and my new channel is going to be called Fill Your Bags. And the reason is I'm separating crypto from this channel because some people hate crypto and think it's a scam, which is fair enough, but I'm going to be doing a similar thing, demonstrating how to use the tools of crypto on a new channel. So let's jump in and let's have a look at how long it's taken me. I'll just show you the channel today, where I am at. So here's where I'm up to. And crazy things take so long when you're setting up a new channel. So just that banner, because you think it'd be easy just to knock up a banner like that because I use Canva for all my banners, and you think that would take no time at all. But the problem you've got is because it's YouTube, you've got to have it all different sizes. So that is the banner for the desktop. But also you need it so it shows on your phones and also actually these days on a big screen as well. So here is my design that I've been doing on Canva. As far as I'm aware on Canva, there isn't an actual thing you can... That's what I've designed. I was going to put some more letters at the top, so if someone's watching it on a big screen, it'll say, welcome, just to fill up the screen. So basically, to get to that point took me ages. And I don't think there is a... What someone should do, Canva, you're listening on, what I might do is, and I'll just show you what I mean. You're on your YouTube channel, and you're on Canva, and you think you design a good banner for YouTube, but then when you upload it to YouTube, you realize that everything is out of place. So let me just show you exactly what I mean. So here's the YouTube channel, and you go customize the channel, and you can see that I have got my branding, which is basically my little picture there, the banner image, and also the video watermark. Now, I will just change this to show you, and I'll upload the one I did first. This will give you an idea of how annoying it is. So I got busy today, and I thought so this was my first attempt. Hang on, because I was doing it from memory. Where is it? So my first attempt was this one, and I thought, oh, that's all right, and I'll upload it to my banner. And then very quickly you can see that within YouTube, well, that's pointless because can you see in the middle it says viewable on all devices? So that's all they would see, my glasses and a little button saying subscribe, and that was what would be viewable on the desktop. See that strip in the middle? So you start again and you go, I'll change that, and you click change. I am sure somewhere, well, I didn't see it on Canva, I'm sure on Canva you'll see. So you think, I'm getting there now, so I change it a bit more, and I go, oh, I'm getting there now, this one will do. That's more or less within the parameters, I'll upload that one. And you can see that you are still miles out. So the financial advice is cut off, and my hat's cut off. So you basically spend hours just tweaking. What I found handy is, and I would recommend having two monitors open, so that you can just slowly line it up. And then eventually I got to the last one, which was, hang on, that'll be the last one. So that'll look, that's what it'll look like when it's on a big screen. I'll show you what I mean. So on the big screen, it'll look like the full thing, see, on the TV. So that's okay. I might put some text there. On a desktop, it will look like that. So I've included the terms, the tech and tools on that side, and subscribe on the right. And when it's just on somebody's mobile, it'll be that bit in the middle. Okay? So I'm happy with that. So that's the first thing I did today. As I say, there should be, I don't know why, Canva or... And by the way, I love Canva. I use Canva Pro because I can just remove the background to my pictures easily. I don't know why Canva don't. And it's not. See all these lines there, so you can't upload all the lines. There might be, but I've not seen it. Tell me if there is. Make your banner to fit to YouTube so that you can just drag everything into that space in the first place. Yeah, Canva Pro, I use it. Removes the image from the. I can remove the background from video and from images, so I find it dead handy. I'll put the link in the description for you for that one. So there's that. I have made a video watermark also in Canva. That took ages. And the picture. So that is what I've done. And have I got a subscriber? I think I might have one subscriber. That is my, let's see. Publish that. Okay. Two more things to show you in this video. And it is going to take time. My content. So here is the first video I've put up. I've got 1 view. But this video actually came from TikTok. So the other thing I've been busy with today, I've been setting up more workflows within Repurpose. Let me just show you quickly on my phone. Should work. Will it work? Yeah, I'll be able to show you. So here is my... let me just do this. I'm going to show you my new TikTok channel, which again has got no followers because I'm just starting off. So let me show you. There's my original TikTok. Hang on. Is it not in focus? Oh, it's blurring it. Hang on, let me... That's annoying. It's because I've got this background blur because I'm away. It's not that I'm hiding anything, it just looks better. Right, so there's my original TikTok. Can you see? I've got to hold it by my face or it blurs it out. There's my original TikTok. I'm going to change to my new TikTok, which is set up. It's called Fill Your Bags. That's because it's a TikTok phrase. And this is brand new. It's literally completely small time. And here is my channel, my brand new channel on TikTok. I'm not trying to blur it out. If I hold it in front of my face, there you go. And this video, this one, okay, I've just recorded it. I'm not bothered about them doing well yet. It's just the start, all right? So that's literally just been recorded and set up in Repurpose so that it automatically, it doesn't automatically repost to YouTube, but it automatically downloads it whenever I make a video on TikTok. Here on Repurpose, I've set a new workflow, well, 2 actually. One workflow goes from Google Drive, TikTok, my new account, to my Google Drive, to one folder. And then I've got another workflow. So basically, I upload a video to TikTok, and that video goes automatically without a watermark up onto my Google Drive into a folder called Google Drive Bags. I think that's what it's called. And then I've got another workflow which takes the video from there and automatically, it doesn't automatically because it's set to manual, it takes it to YouTube Shorts. So I come into Repurpose and I click publish on there. I change the text a little bit, optimize it for YouTube, and then the video will automatically end up on my YouTube channel. There you go. Has it got any views yet? I doubt it. So whenever I wear this cap, I am talking crypto. Changed a little bit. It automatically goes to the Crypto Shorts folder, and I know it's just a start, but it's quite interesting. All right, so that is what I've been getting busy doing today. Highly recommend Canva for making your thumbnails and all of your artwork for all of your channels. It does take time, you know. And the next thing I'm going to do now is set up a new Instagram, set up a new everything. Really, I'm probably just going to really concentrate on YouTube and TikTok, and then push to the others once I've got a bit of a following. And also, I recommend Repurpose for reposting those videos everywhere. That's how I'm doing it, and we'll keep you posted how the channel is doing. Cheers, everyone.